Windows is screwed, because Cool Dude 503 got a MacBook. Oh really? Please show me. Well, I wouldn't be too surprised about that, because I played the iMac.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado, important details would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Stand OpenOffice.org 2.0 Office Suite Software. Microsoft Office 2003 for the win. Windows would like to know where your keys are, or Sam's keys. Ha 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 ha. Why the heck do you want to know? I will never tell you. Also, Microsoft Sam is my brother, and I will never tell you where his keys are located. If you won't tell me where your keys are, or Sam's, your computer will start acting like a puff-ping slug. For one thing, why the heck can't any of us blow raspberries? And for another, this is not the time to start acting like a slug, you stupid computer.